2026 just started, and we've already witnessed the death of a tech giant. Rest in peace, Microsoft. Oh, sorry, Microslop. You weren't always the greatest company, but hey, that's neither here nor there anymore. From the ashes of Microsoft has risen something far more terrible. Microsoft is now officially being called Microslop across the entire internet. And the CEO, Satya Nadella? Yeah, people are calling him Sloppy Nadella now. Someone even going with Salopia Nadella. How did one of the world's most powerful tech companies become the internet's biggest joke? Well, it all started when their CEO told 8 billion people to stop using one word. That word is slop. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how Microsoft destroyed its own reputation, why the entire internet is roasting them into oblivion, and what this billion-dollar disaster means for all of us. This is going to be wild. Let's go. Davos, Switzerland, that fancy conference where billionaires fly private jets to discuss climate change. A reporter asks Satya Nadella a simple question. What do you think about people calling AI-generated content slop? Now, any smart CEO would say, yeah, we're working on improving quality. But no, Satya decides this is the battle he wants to fight. His exact words, I think we should stop calling it slop. These are real people creating content with AI tools. We should respect that. And just like that, the internet declared war. Because here's what Satya didn't understand. When you tell the internet to stop using a word, they don't stop. They use it more, they make it permanent, they turn it into your legacy. Within 30 minutes, Microslop was trending worldwide. Sloppy Nadella became a meme, and people started calling AI garbage Satya's special sauce. One tweet got 74,000 likes that simply said, "Stop calling it AI Slop." No, I don't think I will. Congratulations, Satya. You just committed the greatest PR disaster in tech history. Microsoft, more like Microslop. But hold on, let's talk about what slop actually means. Because if you've been on the internet in 2025 to 2026, you know exactly what we're talking about. Let's see the example one. You search how to fix a leaky faucet. The first 5 results will be definitely AI-generated nonsense. They'll tell you the history of plumbing since ancient Rome, the philosophical meaning of water, and maybe give you an answer. And it's wrong. Second example is Facebook. Every other post is an AI-generated image of Jesus made out of shrimp. Caption, type amen if you love Jesus, and your aunt shares it every single time. Success is when preparation meets opportunity in the cloud of innovation. Hashtag AI, hashtag leadership, hashtag synergy. What does that even mean? Nobody knows. Not even the AI that wrote it. Example 3, Amazon book scams. You want to buy a cookbook. There are 47 AI-generated books. Same title, same cover, all garbage. You buy one, the recipes don't work, some ingredients don't even exist. If we talk about recipe blogs, you search for chocolate chip cookies. You get 4,000 words about the author's childhood, their grandmother's kitchen, and the meaning of baking. And finally, after scrolling for 10 minutes, 2 cups of flour. This is called slop. Merriam-Webster made slop their word of the year for 2025. Their official definition is digital content of low quality that is produced usually in quantity by means of artificial intelligence. Yeah, that's the world we're living in now. Welcome to the Microslop era. Now here's where it gets absolutely hilarious. Guess which company is creating all this slop? You guessed it, Microsoft. They have a partnership with OpenAI, they built Copilot, they're forcing AI into Word, Excel, Windows, Bing, everything. Microsoft is literally the slop factory. So when the CEO of the slop factory tells the internet to stop calling it slop, yeah, people lost their minds. But wait, it gets even better. Someone dug up Microsoft's own internal documentation, and guess what Microsoft's engineers call AI mistakes? Hallucinations, low-quality outputs, unreliable generation. Microsoft's own employees call it garbage, but Satya wants us to call it AI-enhanced authentic digital experiences. Bro, listen. No, please, Satya, stop it now. It's slop. We're calling it slop forever. And your company is also a Microslop now. Then the internet's response came after Satya Nadella said, people should stop calling AI-generated content slop and show more respect toward it. Twitter turned into a roasting session. Here are some highlights. And then people started creating memes, subreddits dedicated to finding the worst AI slop. Discord servers rating slop quality. TikToks mocking Microslop products. Someone even suggested renaming the company officially. Microsoft is dead. Long live Microslop. And honestly, the internet agreed. Satya didn't kill the word slop. He made it immortal. He turned his company into a meme, and there's no coming back from that. And now Satya can't control his emotions anymore. Okay, let's get serious for a second. Because beyond the memes and the jokes, this actually matters. What Satya really said was, please stop criticizing the thing, making us billions of dollars. That's it. That's the real message. Microsoft has bet everything on AI. They've invested over $500 billion into this technology. And here's what's happening because of it. Google search is completely broken. It's flooded with AI spam. You can't find real answers anymore. Real people are losing their jobs. Sports Illustrated fired journalists and replaced them with AI. The articles were terrible. CNET published AI articles full of errors. They had to issue mass corrections. Activision fired artists for Call of Duty and used AI instead. The quality dropped. Customer service is worthless. You call support. You get an AI chatbot that can't actually solve your problem. The internet is dying. The internet used to be made by humans for humans. Now it's made by robots for algorithms to trick other robots. And when we complain about this nightmare, the CEO of Microslop says, be nicer about it. After the massive backlash, Satya posted a blog trying to defend himself. And oh boy, it made everything worse. Here's an actual quote from his blog. We need to move beyond arguments of slop versus sophistication and develop a new equilibrium in terms of our theory of the mind that accounts for humans being equipped with these new cognitive amplifier tools. What? What does that even mean? Here's another gem. We are entering a phase where we build rich scaffold that orchestrate multiple models and agents. Rich scaffolds? Orchestrate models. What's this nonsense, man? Big fancy words that mean absolutely nothing. For 2 years, tech companies promised us, AI will change everything. AI is the future. Trust us. And we did trust them. We tried the tools. We used the products. And you know what we found? Most AI content is complete garbage. It's not creative. It's not helpful. It's not even accurate. It's just cheap, fast, and everywhere. But here's the thing. Identifying the problem is only half the battle. Knowing that most AI content is low quality is one thing, but actually improving your own skills to think critically and solve problems. That's where the real power lies. And that's exactly why platforms like Brilliant exist. Brilliant isn't just about consuming information, it's about training your problem solving, learning how to break complex ideas into clear, structured steps that actually make sense. And also enhance your analytical thinking so that when you use tools like AI, you're not drowning in slop. You're actually making smarter decisions. I know you're struggling in math every time, but Brilliant makes it way easier for you. From algebra to calculus, geometry to statistics, learn through hands-on problem solving that actually makes sense. Master in negative numbers and understand their real-world applications. Brilliant breaks down every concept step by step, turning your math struggles into real confidence. To learn for free on Brilliant for a full 30 days, go to brilliant.org/Nixtera, scan the QR code on screen, or click the link in the description. Brilliant is also giving our viewers 20% off an annual premium subscription, which gives you unlimited access to everything on Brilliant. And that's it for today. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst AI slop you've come across this week? Drop it in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy tech stories every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.